Let's build a key value store in C using hash tables. First, create the header file to define our key value store structures. Start with header guard to prevent multiple inclusions. Include standard Boolean library for Boolean data type. Define the key value pair structure for linked list chaining. Define the main hash table structure for our key value store. Declare function prototypes for store creation and destruction. Declare function prototypes for basic store operations. Declare utility functions for displaying and counting entries. Complete the header guard with closing directive. Now implement the main key value store functionality. Include necessary headers for memory and string operations. Implement the DJB2 hash function for string keys. Create helper function to safely duplicate strings. Create function to initialize a new key value store. Implement function to resize the hash table when it gets full. Implement function to insert or update a key value pair. Implement function to retrieve a value by its key. Implement function to delete a key value pair from the store. Implement function to display all key value pairs in the store. Implement function to count total entries in the key value store. Implement function to properly destroy and clean up the store. Now create a demonstration program to test our key value store. Include standard input-output and our key value store header. Create main function to demonstrate key value store operations. Create a makefile to build our project with proper compilation flags. Define compiler and flags for strict C11 standard checking. Define the default target to build the demo program. Link object files to create the final executable. Compile the demonstration source file. Compile the key value store implementation file. Define target to run the demonstration program. Define target to clean up compiled files. Now compile our key value store implementation using make. Run the demonstration program to see the key value store in action. Check that all source files were created correctly in our directory. Clean up the compiled object files and executable using make clean. There is a blog post and PDF version of this tutorial with more details on our websites. Also, if you need videos and content packages like this created for your own channel, follow the first link in the description.